Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out. Just put a bottle on the model and she pulled her pants down. My bitch was here, she have a fit, so I'm about to head out.
What's up, my Famway gang? In today's video, we're going to be doing a copycat version of the Olive Garden's Tour of Italy. So let's get it. Don't forget to hit that bell. And if you're new, hit that subscribe.
Spaghetti meat. Well, this is our lasagna meat. We got spaghetti meat too. These are the two different sauces we have. I'm going to use this for spaghetti and I'm going to use this for lasagna. Or either or, it doesn't matter. And I got the chicken because we're going to do, you know, the Parmesan, the crusted, you know, chicken Parmesan. And I got the breadcrumbs. So, over here, we have seasonings. We have salt, which we don't need. We're not going to use this one. I use that for the water. But we have sea salt, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic salt, and we have seasoned salt. So, let's get to it. Now, when I do my noodles, y'all, I put them in here like this, like in a different pattern, because I don't be wanting them to like get stuck together. I know I got the oil and the salt in there, but sometimes it still be acting crazy. So, for some people that's like beginner cooks and don't really know like how not to get it stuck, you can do it like this. It's an easy little way to put them in there, each different direction, so they won't get stuck together. Yeah, I break my noodles in half, my spaghetti noodles.
Oops, look like we lost the noodles.
Ooh. Looks like we lost some, but we're gonna put them back in the pot because that's just what we're gonna do. Right, so we'll let that boil and we'll be back. Okay, now we're gonna prep our stuff. So we're going to get our hamburger together and our chicken. So what we're going to do is get some egg and milk and dip it in there before we dip it in our panko bread. Okay, so we got a bowl. We'll go ahead and crack our egg. Put it into the bowl. Then we're going to add some milk to it. That much. Okay. This is what it looks like. Sorry, y'all. I'm on my road now, so it's like I'm in chill mode. I was watching some TV now. I was like, I gotta go. Alright, we do got our chicken breasts. Fillets. We get the Nature's Promise ones, and they come in little individually packs. Let's take them out the packs and we'll rinse them off and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so here's the chicken. We're going to put some seasoning on there. Here's our panko crumbs. Okay, y'all, so we're going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning on there. And we did wash our chicken off first. We're going to put some onion powder. And we're going to put some salt. We're going to go ahead and dip this in our egg and milk mixture. Our deep fryer should be good. Then we're going to dip in our panko crumbs. Those look good. Wait till they're all done. It's going to really look like very good. So we're gonna put our chicken that we plankoed, whatever. I don't care. We're gonna put it in our basket, and we're gonna put the other ones in there. Okay, y'all. So this how it looked. We'll go ahead and drop them in the oil. My oil is hot, so we'll cook. Okay, y'all, so our chicken is done. And it looks time to check on our noodles. I think they're about ready. Yes. It's our spaghetti noodles. We got our lasagna noodles over here. I think they're ready too. We'll go ahead and cook our meat and get everything together. I would have cooked our meat first, but I had to wait for another pack of meat, so I gotta add to it. So here we go. So now it's time to put our hamburger meat on. Okay, y'all. So we got our hamburger meat on. And we'll go ahead and scramble that. I'm gonna add some onion powder. I'm gonna add some Italian seasoning. Also gonna add some garlic. Okay, y'all. Now the meat's done. We're about to drain the oil out, and we'll be back to mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, since we're doing the spaghetti and the lasagna, we're gonna go ahead and get a little meat, put it over top our noodles, and we're gonna mix in that sauce. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna put some of our meat in here, and we'll use the rest for the lasagna. So, we'll pour this on over in half. And we're gonna go ahead and mix some of our garden chunky Prego sauce in there. Ooh. Let me know in the comments below, do y'all like y'all spaghetti saucy or a little dry? A little dry. I'm stupid. Not really. Do y'all like it saucy or a little dry? Okay, y'all, now we're about to mix in the meat sauce with the rest of this hamburger for the lasagna. And this is not spaghetti, so the sauce does need to be a little thicker. So we're going to put in some tomato paste. Tomato paste thickens up anything you got that's tomatoey that you need to be thick. Say if you got a soup and it's running, you need to thicken it up, girl. Grab you some tomato paste. Grab you some tomato paste. I'm gonna pick this up so y'all can see. Okay, here's our sauce. I don't know why I'm using a fork, y'all. I should be using one of those little plastic spoons, but I already messed up my non-stick pan, so I gotta get some more.
So that means don't worry about my pans and my pots and my forks. Worry about your own.
Okay, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and put that tomato paste in there. Thicken it up a little bit. Because you don't want to be like runny like spaghetti, you know? It's lasagna. Okay, so first we're gonna put a layer of noodles in. These noodles are almost perfect for this. No matter if my noodles is a little bit. One piece been in the water, one piece been out. Kind of dried it out a little bit, but that's alright. That's alright. So we're just gonna layer the bottom with these noodles. Okay, y'all, now we're going to sprinkle some cheese on it. This is the first layer. We're going to do 2 layers. Okay, this is our lasagna, and it's going in the oven. Okay, and that's it cut open. It has that crisp. Yes, y'all. Chicken parmesan. Lasagna is a game.